Okay, so basically that's how I did it. So first make the comments, what should be done, and then set up the variables like sample rate. Then you can calculate the sample time. The amount of samples was 2 to the power of 13, sine wave with amplitude given, and the signal frequency given. So basically I can calculate that signal frequency here, and then the sinusoid it's just a sampled sinusoid, the same way as in an earlier exercise. And then adding that random noise given signal to noise ratio, basically, and then you can calculate what is the current variance of signal. So this is the signal part. Okay. So only thing is it's missing the information is the variance of noise, at which we can calculate from that formula. So did you get the same result for the formula for how to calculate the variance? This one, noise variance, maybe. Okay, noise. Then we create a random number, but the rand n returns the uniformly distributed. No, not uniformly. The normally distributed random numbers with zero mean and variance of 1, which means that we need to scale this one. The noise values need to be scaled by the square root of noise required the noise variance, or calculate the noise variance in order to get the variance to match. So basically this is supposed to be the noisy signal then. And then you can either run this script just by clicking that save file and run, or copy paste that information. It does the same thing. So basically, if you want to make your own script for the whole exercise, I don't mind. It's up to you. It's actually then maybe easier to check for errors if you do a script on editor and then run it. Okay. Okay, now we have this nice signal, but okay, I think we should also hear how it sounds like. Sound. SIG FS. Wow. So it works. So that was 123 Hertz times 1.7 was the frequency there. And it was a little bit less than 1 second. So there was about 8,192 samples at rate 11.025 kilohertz sampling rate. And it sounds like this. Good. Next, since I have this nice signal, I want to save it for later use. For example, as a WAV file. Now, let's see. Let me find some help on the audio write, since I think that's the function we need to use. Audio write function actually. Did you miss something? No? Okay. Audio write, actually, if you give it a file name, data, and sample rate, it saves you that file as a sound file. Let's see, there's some. I'll check it up on you. So what's up? Yeah, that, yes. Come on. Yeah, you're missing one semicolon somewhere. Yep. Mm-hmm. Does it work? Sound? Yes. Yes, I can show you the script again. There. Let me also add that one. So testing and it works. Hmm? Error. Our lowercase, uppercase. You have uppercase V, and on down you have lowercase. So this is case sensitive. Case sensitive, of course. Just like any other programming environment, this is case sensitive. Yeah, I didn't hear the beep sound. It should have a distinct sinusoid there. Hmm. Well, I will show you the rest of this. Yeah, that was the sound. Yeah. Do you have this noise part there? Then you need to incorporate those. So basically, you add the add noise, signal plus noise. You did it. I didn't hear the shh. Okay. Well, it also depends on the number SSS, but it definitely should have the noise part also there. Okay, there we go. Yes. But did you also recalculate everything here? Oh yeah. That's actually nice. If you change the value here, 3, 4, 5, for example, then run again. It's supposed to be like that. Yeah, this. Okay. Should it be that high? Should it be that high frequency? Okay, now we have now you now you know how to annoy people. You know, obnoxious sound. Excellent. And actually, you can download it to your phone as the ringing tone. Okay, good. Uh, the next step from that one, if you want to make a old-fashioned, what is that? The synthesizer, you need just an envelope and the correct frequency there. For example, if I put here frequency, let me just hash code this one. 440 hertz. This is note A, like that. So that's note A. Times 2 to the power of 1 divided by 12. That's the second half note from that one. So full note. So those are the notes. What you need then to adjust is the envelope generation there, and that's the synthesizer. That's how easy it is to synthesize signals. Yep. Okay. Let me change that one back to what it was. Dude. There we go. So, next is how to save this sound file to disk. Okay. There's audio write command. Okay. Oops. Why did I do it that way? Command window there. Audio write. For example, nice variable name would be foo.wave. And data is sig and then sample rate fs. Now I have that file in my working directory for later use. Yeah, that's how it works. And if you want to move this one into your own Google Drive, you just go to the Google Drive. Wait, not that one. Google Drive, wherever you are. Wait a minute, where am I? I will just put it somewhere in my Google Drive. As you can see, I have a little bit of things here and there. Rename that one. You go to whatever directory you want to, and then just copy, drag and drop it there. It's there. Or, okay, any other cloud service. Since basically what I'm asking you to do on this exercise template, first here write the commands, but here's the save the sound sample link to your exercise. Meaning, okay, meaning that here you basically first, so this is important. Share it. So that anyone can actually, anyone who has the link can access, no sign in required. I have this kind of the setup here because we have the organizational Google account. If you are using your own, then it actually has the, I think it's public, anyone or specific people only. We have these organizational questions here. Copy, saving, and then copy that link and put it on your here. For example, like that. And now, when you share this document, basically you do the same thing here. How to return the exercise. There we go. Copy. Copy the link so that anyone with the link can actually access that one. Oh, sorry. Can comment. Okay. Anyone with the link can comment. Then you basically share this one from here. Return form. Like that. And then click save. So basically then you have returned the link to your exercise. So those are the important parts. When you are returning the exercise, what if you have any links to, for example, sound samples and such, make sure that that file is accessible by anyone, or at least me. Okay. Then when you share this document, that the return for the exercise, then you basically always share it so that anyone with the link can copy. Again, you will have different looking interface for your personal accounts, but still the same idea. And when you are ready, then just click save on that. Okay.